everyone, welcome back to MedPrep by Academically. Today I am here with an exclusive grand vacancy from a prestigious renowned institute, टाटा मेमोरियल सेंटर. जी हाँ, कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट का नाम आते ही टाटा टीएमसी सर्वप्रथम आम सभी के दिमाग में आता है. So here comes an exclusive vacancy from the TMC of a medical officer where the salary is more than 1 lakh rupees. So sir, how to apply? Is there any examination, selection process, eligibility? We are going to discuss everything in today's video. So stay tuned till the end. ये मेडिकल ऑफिसर की वैकेंसी आपके पास 6 मार्च से लेके 13 मार्च तक अवेलेबल रहेगी. दिस इज अ डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस where there will be no examination. You have to go for the interview in Punjab, Sangrur, and over here there will be your interview. Reporting timing is from morning 9:30 to 11:30. Please note the timings. It is a temporary contractual post. Alright, it is not a permanent post, and the location is also Mulanpur, Punjab. Alright, so Homi Baba Cancer Hospital and Research Center, Punjab, which is a unit of the TMC, and we all know that it's a Government of India enterprise under the Department of Atomic Energy. Medical officer post on contractual basis, and over here there are details. So what are these details exactly about? The interview date is on 13th of March. Medical officer, the time is 9:30 to 11:30. 2 posts are available where you'll be getting a remuneration, a consolidated amount of 99,000 rupees to 1,14,000 rupees. Yes. And do you need any experience? If you have 1 year of experience, that will going to provide you brownie points. But even if you do not have, that's alright. It is not compulsory, mandatory nahi hai experience. You need to be an MBBS degree from a National Medical Council, from an NMC recognized institute. That is a prior information. Along with your internship, you need to complete your 6 months of internship in any of the departments. So eligible candidates can attend the interview and the new home building, Homi Baba Center, Sangrur, Punjab. And over here the age relaxation will be as per the SC, ST, OBC category. They haven't specified anything, but mostly it will be told to you at the time of your interview. What you need to carry with you: the copy of your resume, 2 passport size photograph, the date of birth like birth certificate, school, driving license, leaving certificate, any of them, your educational qualifications like your mark sheets, and if you have any experience, then your experience certification, that for how many months you have worked there, if you can carry out your salary slip, any of them which is a proof and evidence of your working professional as in the position, right? So over here there will be, this is a complete informative PDF. You can go on the tmc.gov.in and check out this post. And if you are a doctor looking out to migrate to Australia or anywhere abroad, either in the Gulf countries, then we have a variety of courses: GRMLE, GRDLE. We have AMC if you want to migrate to Australia. And nowadays we all know many doctors are not able to migrate to USMLE, to US via giving the USMLE. So AMC is another great option, a backup option. So we prepare you for the same. Now, if you're looking out for some non-clinical roles, we have a set of upskill courses as well available for you, where you can work as a drug safety physician, as a medical advisor, as a medical consultant in the medical affairs. You can work as a MSL, medical science license. Lot of opportunities waiting out for you. The links of all of these are given in the description box. So conquer your dream and have this transition from clinical to paraclinical or non-clinical. Looking forward to see you all in the course ahead, and do like, share, subscribe our channel MedPrep by Academically. Stay connected with Akram sir, Payam sir for more such upcoming information, updates, notices, recruitments and information.